Maseneta magete na mweke wa kunyita ugeni na gũtũũgĩria ũhotani wa spika mwerũ wa Senate Amason Kingi uria magathĩrĩirie na meranĩire kũmũnyitĩrĩra akĩambĩrĩria wĩra ũyũ wa gũtongoria meri ya Senate. Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yao atongoria aya marurumũrĩte ndereti ya mahinya ma bunge na Senate marĩa matũire mathimanagĩra icoka kuma rĩrĩa ciombirwo thutha wa katiba ya mwaka wa 2010.
Because the last 10 years have been years of fighting, Mr. Speaker, for the strength and supremacies and the strengthening of this House. I believe through you and with the Kenya Kwanza team and the leadership of President William Ruto, this House will bring back honor.
Coming from across from the other House today, and I'm sure even Honorable Kaduri, is a day when we are going through a Damascus moment. Because I just realized that indeed this is the upper house.
Hili ndilo jumba kuu, na jumba kuu litaendelea kufanya maswala ambayo inafanywa katika majumba makuu ya Jamhuri ya Kenya na hata dunia kwa jumla.
Maseneta meranĩire kũnyitĩrĩra itugĩ cia thirikari cia matũũra na kuona Kingi ararĩ gavana na kũrĩ na atongoria angĩ maratungataga ta magavana mathurĩtwo ta seneta marehoka gũteithĩrĩria kweheria mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa maratũnganire nayo kaunti-inĩ.
And with clear understanding of first-hand experience on devolution and Senate with its important role of supporting devolution, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have new hope that devolution is going to really achieve even better than what has happened before.
We have a golden opportunity as the senators of this country to truly make devolution work by utilizing the capital we have in the goodwill of President William Ruto to support devolution.
We are looking forward to a moment when we can optimize the use of the county funds or the devolved funds that are sent to the counties, not just for one county, but for the 47 counties.
Atongoria arĩa manyitĩte itemi ndereti-inĩ ya ũmũthĩ makumithĩtie gĩko kĩa maseneta mwaho wa Azimio arĩa maumũrũrũkĩte cikaro-inĩ ici makĩmenda manyitĩrĩre gĩturwa kĩao kĩa mũng'ethanĩro na wĩigĩrĩrĩki.
The merry-go-round, the go-round that we have seen this morning was not necessary. Every minute spent here is spending public funds. I want to appeal to my brothers on the other side that please let us give this institution the seriousness it deserves.
Let our colleagues come back to the House. This is not the time to resist. I want to appeal to our colleagues wherever they are. Let them come back. We need to build this nation.
They are supposed to be here to come and express themselves. Walking out is disdain to the people that elected them to come here.
Speak, make your vote. If you're defeated, accept with grace. We want to see for once that people shall compete, and after the competition, you will shake the hands of the winner and say, you did better than me this time.
I am a member of the National Reconstruction Alliance, and I will guard my autonomy jealously. I will vote on issues and on conviction. I will not be whipped to vote on anything.
Arĩa marambĩrĩria ũtungata ta seneta rita rĩa mbere maigĩte mwĩhoko wao harĩ spika makĩenda mwerekera mbere ya mamenyerete na maithiranĩtie mawatho na mĩtaratara ya Senate.
Because, Mr. Speaker, if you follow the tradition and the ranks that has been there, we will find out that the new people will never be able to speak because we have to wait for those who have been there to speak.
We will strive to do the best in order to also support you in the cause of building and protecting devolution and doing the best for the people of Kenya.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.